In this segment, I will be discussing about the color of compounds. We all know that transition metal complexes, they are found to be colored in nature. They are found to be colored in nature, and the color of complexes is because of the absorption of radiation in the visible region. The complexes, they will absorb one color and give a color complementary to the one that is absorbed. Let us take one example, that is TiH2O6 3+ complex. Here the electronic configuration for Ti3+ is found to be 3D1. The color of complexes can be explained based on crystal field theory. We all know that TiH2O6 3+, this is an octahedral complex. So according to crystal field theory, we all know the octahedral splitting also. T2G will be the lower level and Eg will be the upper level. So here, if you see the electronic configuration, we can write the configuration of this complex as only one electron in the d orbital. So that will occupy the T2G level in the ground state of the T2G level in the ground state of the complex. The next highest state available for electron is the MTEG orbital, MTEG level we can say. If light corresponding to the energy of blue-green region is absorbed by the complex, it would excite the electron from T2G level to the EG level. So the electronic configuration will change from T2G1 EG0 to T2G0 to EG1. The electronic configuration will change from T2G0 to EG1. Therefore, the complex, it appears violet in color. The crystal field theory, it attributes the color of the coordination compounds to DD transition of the electron. And moreover, it is very important to note that in the absence of ligand, crystal field splitting does not occur, and therefore the substance is found to be colorless. For example, if you remove water from the complex TiH2O6Cl thrice, on heating it becomes colorless. And depending on the nature of the ligand also, the color of the complex changes. Let us discuss one example. For example, if you take this complex NiH2O6 2+, this complex is found to be green in color. When ethane 1,2-diamine, when this ligand is replaced by this ligand En, it replaces two water molecules from this, and we are having the complex as NiH2O 4 times En 2+, and this En is found to be a neutral ligand. The complex is found to be pale blue in color, and further the reaction goes on. This is found to be pale blue in color. Again, this En replaces two water molecules, since this is a didentate ligand, and hence the complex now it becomes NiH2O twice En2. It becomes blue in color. Okay, and again, that is one more En is added to the complex. What happens? All the water molecules are replaced by ethane 1,2-diamine ligand. So what happens? Finally, the color of the complex becomes violet in color. So depending on the nature of the ligand, the color of the complex is found to be green or otherwise violet in color.